Hello there, and welcome to another one of our Lexical Lab 1 Minute English videos. In class this morning we were talking about places we've been to and what they were like. Admittedly, a slightly depressing conversation to be having during the tail end of lockdown, where none of us have really been able to travel anywhere for a long time because of the coronavirus crisis. But anyway, one of my students was reminiscing about a trip she made with her family to Italy last year, and she was saying that even though she doesn't have a sweet tooth, even though she doesn't really usually like desserts or sweet things, when she was in Rome she found herself eating 2 or 3 ice creams every day. She said that she was staying near the centre of Rome, and there was a little family-run gelateria, a kind of Italian ice cream parlour, just round the corner from where she was staying. And so every day when they were leaving the house, when they were returning to the house, they would stop off and have an ice cream there. And as she said, the ice cream there is just out of this world. If you describe food or scenery while you're driving through a country, or the acting or a play or a production of a play, or in football or in sport, a player during one particular game, or even just a pass or a goal, as being out of this world, you mean it was incredible, it was wonderful, it was fantastic. If you've enjoyed this video, please click the like button, share it with friends, and subscribe to our channel. And in the comment section below, we'd love to hear about things that you thought were out of this world.